When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is...
In 2026, Tesla continues to lead the electric revolution straight from Palo Alto, California, at the birthplace of its global mission to accelerate sustainable transport. Meet the 2026 Tesla Model S, a luxurious, tech-packed sedan with insane performance. The Plaid edition still reigns supreme, boasting over 1,000 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, and a range pushing for 20+ miles. Inside, it's ultra-minimalist, with yoke steering, wireless gaming, and smart climate zones. Then there's the 2026 Tesla Model 3 refresh, also known as Project Highland. Sleeker, quieter, smarter. This compact sedan now features improved aerodynamics, a cleaner interior, next-gen autopilot, and even more range, up to 370 miles. Both are proudly produced in Tesla's Fremont Factory, just minutes from Palo Alto, where Tesla's original innovation labs took shape. In 2026, Tesla sedans aren't just electric, they're intelligent machines on wheels. Backed by California design and Silicon Valley DNA, they continue to shape the future of driving.